Subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated. Greetings everyone and welcome to CAFW Comics
2025.
And we will invade the place in 3 seconds. T minus 3,
2, 1.
And now, CAFW Comics 2025 presents Ladies Night. Tonight's episode is a Champions vs. Champions match as the AEW Women's World Champion Mercedes MONE takes on the AEW Divas Champion Willow Nightingale. Winners take all. Mercedes MONE and Willow Nightingale head to head. The AEW Divas Champion Willow Nightingale and the AEW Women's World Champion Mercedes MONE is going back and forth. And look at Willow. Just, and Willow for Mercedes. No, Mercedes coming back and now swinging at Willow. And there is actually a fight going on here. It's a fight. And Willow lifts her up. Oh, and lands her. Oh, and took her over. And now Willow trying to go for a pin. Oh, into the corner. Boom, and Willow just dropped her down and hit it up. Oh, it just came down on her. Winners take all in this Champions versus Champion match. Referee at 1, 2. Oh, and a kick out. Looks like the referee took a little bit too long there. Willow now sets her up. Wait a minute, look at this. Mercedes bringing her down. And now Mercedes in control. Mercedes MONE in control. And Willow trying to get her off. Remember, she said Willow is the cause that she lost that hardcore 24/7 hardcore championship. Oh, almost a pin there. Look at this. Mercedes trying to take her up. Willow. Oh, and Willow dropped her down. Mercedes blames Willow for losing her championship. Oh! Knocked her straight out of the... And now sets her up. And the bang! Upside down. Mercedes MONE is out. And here comes the ref. 1, 2. No, it's Red Velvet. And Red Velvet comes in. And here comes Athena. The Hurt Syndicate, of course, is going to help Mercedes MONE. And now, Red Velvet lifts her up. And look at Athena going up high. Athena to the top. The old face. And now Red Velvet, she's gonna stir it up. That's pretty much a wrap. And now it's all up to Mercedes MONE. As MONE has her and hooks the leg. And here comes the ref. 1. Wait a minute! It's Thunder Rosa. And she takes back Athena. And now, here comes Red Velvet. Red Velvet is in. Wait a minute, look at this. Oh, and here comes Chris Statlander. And she throws her. Oh, wait a minute. Bringing her down. Statlander still got her. Wham! Into the corner. Watch out. Boom! And a big boot. knocking her down. Statlander running across the table and comes down on Athena. And now Statlander setting up Athena. Athena's in trouble because she's got her Saturday Night Fever. And now Statlander drives her straight over. Wait a minute, Red Velvet. Red Velvet. Oh my goodness, and she just came straight down. Wait, look at this. Oh, Thunder Rosa. Thunder Rosa lifts her up. Wham! Taking her down. And now sets her up here. Oh, and just slammed her straight out. And now Mercedes. Oh, and she just hit her with the championship. And now she's looking at Willow. Oh, and she just hit Willow with the championship. And now Mercedes. She has Thunder Rosa. Thunder Rosa's in trouble. Oh, lift her up. The money maker. The money maker. And throws her right over. Mercedes now headed to the top as Willow trying to get back to her composure. Wait a minute. Boom, Meteora. The Meteora. And now look. Wait a minute. I know she's not going to do it. I think she's going to try and do it. Oh, serious. Mercedes going for the... Oh, my goodness. She's going for the three amigos. Wow, she took her back with the three amigos. And now headed to the top. Frog splash. Frog splash. And she's headed back to the top. Boom! The knees of the Meteora. And now she sets her up. Mercedes going to the top again. Boom! The Meteora. And this is completely it. Completely 2, 3. Whoa, she kicked out. Right on time. She kicked out. She kicked out. And now Mercedes has her hand and the backing out. Oh my goodness, wait. She's grabbing her hand. Oh my goodness. The viciousness of Mercedes MONE. The viciousness. And Willow trying to get back to her feet. Trying to get back to her feet. And now Mercedes off to the rope. Boom! Willow trying to get back to her feet. And now Mercedes got that championship again. Oh, and she just drives it into the head of Willow. No disqualification. Winners take all. And Willow is out. Willow is out. Mercedes MONE. She has Willow. She has Willow. Oh no, she lifts her up. Oh my goodness. And she hit her with a clean money maker. A clean money maker. And now she could be the new Divas Champion. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. We have a new Divas Champion. Here is your winner and new AEW Divas Champion and Steel the AEW Women's World Champion, Mercedes MONE. Mercedes MONE is now the AEW Divas Champion and still AEW World Champion, but I just had to get that out because now she's being attacked by the Willow is being attacked by the women of the Hurt Syndicate, and they threw her out. My goodness, this was crazy. Wow, the women of the Hurt Syndicate not discriminating against no brands as they're taking championships from both brands. Athena has the WWE Women's X Division Championship. Red Velvet has the WWE Women's Intercontinental Championship. And not only is Mercedes MONE the AEW Women's World Champion, but she is now the AEW Divas Champion. Wow. This is crazy. Wait a minute. It's Rhea Ripley and Tiffany Stratton. Oh my goodness. And she's looking who she's gonna help first. I don't think she wants to go after Rhea Ripley. Wait. Oh, she just hit Ripley with the table. And now Tiffany Stratton is going after her. Tiffany Stratton. And she's got the head of Stratton, and Stratton takes her over. And she's holding her in the headlock, and here comes Red Velvet, kicking her in the ribs. Red Velvet, and here comes Rhea Ripley. Boom, look out, as Rhea comes in. Oh, and Rhea just took one. Wait a minute, Jade Cargill. And this is like the same team minus Tiffany Stratton that helped little baddie win. Oh, and she just planted Mercedes MONE. And look at Red Velvet getting back to her feet, and Tiffany Stratton taking down Red Velvet. And now Athena taking Stratton. Oh, she takes her back. Oh, and now Rhea Ripley. Look at Ripley. Wham, and just takes her over. And she's lifting up Stratton. And now Stratton going after Red Velvet. And now Ripley. Oh, what a takedown. And now the women of the WWE is in control as Rhea Ripley, she has Athena and lifts her up. Rib tie. That sends her on her way. My goodness. And she's looking over at Tiffany Stratton as Stratton taking Red Velvet. Oh, and took her back. And lays her out. Is that even a distance? She's looking to make sure if she can make it. Oh, my goodness, she did it. The distance on that. That jump. And she throws her over. And now they turn their attention to Cargill, as Cargill has Mercedes MONE and taking her through a beating. And look at this, Rhea Ripley. What is she doing? Wait a minute. Ripley coming in with the table. And her and Stratton's gonna set up that table. And she's getting the attention of Jade Cargill. Cargill sees the table. And Cargill sees the moment. And Cargill She's gonna set up MONE for the jaded. Wait, she has something else in mind. I think I know what it is. She hit her with the eye of the storm. Wow. Who would have thought we'd seen these three women work together? And not to mention the three women from the Hurt Syndicate. You can best believe they'll be back. This is far from over. Well, we'd like to thank you all for joining us and hope you enjoyed tonight's segment of CAFW Comics 2025 presents Ladies Night. Hope to see you again for another one. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending on where you are. And remember, always remember, you're